Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Alibaba stock on Revolut. It's pretty easy, just open the Revolut application and then navigate to the Invest tab on the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you just have to tap on Trade to search for specific stocks. Here you can use the search bar to search for the stocks, or you can also just scroll down and you will find all the stocks that are listed, and you can select Alibaba stock. Then if you decide to buy, you just have to tap on buy, type in the amount of money that you would like to invest, because you don't have to buy one complete stock. There is fractional stock sales as well, so you can buy less than a complete stock, a portion of a stock. Tap on review to see your trade and tap on submit to complete it. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe.